Now next, reciprocal of fractions. Reciprocal. So what is meant by reciprocal? See here. So find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Here two fractions are given. So then what about the reciprocal of these two fractions? 1 by 7 reciprocal. Reciprocal means we have to change numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. Here what is the denominator? 7. So we have to write in the numerator. And by what is there in the numerator? 1, that we have to take in denominator, that is 1 by 7 is there, then we have to take 7 by 1. 1 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 1. So we have to change numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator, that is 7 by 1 means 7 simply. Then 4 by 3 reciprocal, 3 by 4. 4 by 3 by 4. So we have to change denominator as a numerator and numerator as a denominator. So that is called reciprocal. Okay. Now division of fractions. So then how to divide when fractions given? So these are the properties. These two blanks based on the properties of division. So 0 is divided by any fraction. 0 is divided by any fraction is always 0. So fraction divided by itself, fraction divided by itself, answer is 1. Fraction divided by itself is 1. Same fraction divided by same fraction, the answer is 1. Okay. Now divide each of the following here. So divide each of the following. Here method we have to follow, division method we have to follow. So then this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 divided by 8 7s are 56 plus 1, 57. 57 by 8. Then how to divide? So first we have to take 5 by 2 as it is. The first fraction we have to write as it is. So instead of this division we have to take multiplication sign. So whenever you are going to take multiplication sign, the second fraction you have to take a reciprocal. So that is 57 by 8 will come as 8 by 57. So that this will change as 8 by 57. This is the method division. So how to divide? So first this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. Then after that first fraction we have to take as it is. So this division sign we have to change it as multiplication. Then here the second fraction reciprocal we have to take. This is the method to divide fractions. So these two have common factor 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is 5 into 4 by 57. 5 4s are 20 by 57. 20 by 57. Now the second. So this is our mixed fraction. So we have to convert into improper. 8 3s are 24, 27. 27 by 8 divided by 16 2s are 32 plus 13, 45. 45 by 16. Now 27 by 8, the first fraction we have to take as it is. This sign we have to change it as multiplication, and after that we have to take the reciprocal, 16 by 45. Change multiplication sign and reciprocal after that. Now these two have common factor, 8 1s are 8 2s are 16. So these two have common factor. These two have common factor. 9 3s are 27. 9 5s are 45. Then so what is left in the numerator? 3 into 2 by what is there in the denominator? 1 into 5. 3 2s are 6. 1 5s are 5. 6 by 5. Okay. Next, what problem? So the cost of 3 1 by 4 liters of milk rupees 106 3 by 5. Then find the cost of 1 liter milk. Here see, here 3 1 by 4 liters milk cost is given. So then asking unit, more he has given, 1 he is asking. So means we have to divide. So in multiplication, if one unit is given, more he is asking, then we have to multiply. Here more he has given and unit he was asking. He is asking unit. Unit means 1 liter. So then we have to divide here. So in this way we have to decide what we have to do first. Okay. Now here 3 1/4 liters milk cost rupees 106 3/5. Then 1 liter milk cost. So this total amount, so we have to divide with this how many liters cost, that is 3 1/4 liters. So this total amount we have to divide with this total how many liters he purchased in that. So with that we have to divide. Then 533/5. If we convert so this into improper, then you will get 533/5. How? 5 into 106, 530, 530 plus 3, 533/5. Then after that divided by 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13/4. Now 533/5 into, we have to take reciprocal. So first we have to change this division sign, multiplication, then after that we have to take reciprocal, 4/13, 4/13. So now once you have to check, so this either this is divisible by 13 or not. If not, then you go for your, so you go for your simplification, further simplification. So 13 3s are 3, 9, 13 4s are 52, 13 4s are 13, 13 4s are 52 and 13 1s are 41. Then 41, so 41 into 4 by here 5 into 1, 41 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 164/5. Then how to convert this into mixed? This is improper, we have to convert into mixed. 5 3s are 15, 1 left, 5 2s are 10, 4/5. Then so 1 liter milk cost, 1 liter milk cost rupees 32 4/5, 32 4/5. So this is the price, 1 liter milk price 32 1/5 rupees. Next, in the second, a tailor had 15 meters cloth. 15 meters cloth. He used 3/4 meters, 3/4 meters cloth to make one frock. One frock, for one frock he used 3/4 meters of cloth. Then how many frocks can be made using the cloth he had? So in these 15 meters, then how many frocks can he made? So we have to divide. So with unit we have to divide this total length of the cloth. So then how many frocks he can made, you will get your answer. Then cloth need for one frock, that is 3/4 meters. Number of frocks can be made in 15 meters cloth, that is, so how to find 15? So 15 is divided by 3/4, 3/4. So with this total length of the cloth is divided with one frock. So how much cloth need for one cloth? With that we have to divide. So this total length of the cloth how much he is having, so that we have to divide with the cloth required for one frock. Then 15 as it is, Here instead of this we have to keep into, after that we have to take the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 4 by 3. There is no by means by 1 is there. So these two are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Then what is there in the numerator? 5 into 4. What is there in the denominator? 1 to 1. 5 4s are 20. 1 1s are 1. That is 20 frocks. 20 frocks. He can made 20 frocks in 15 meters cloth. Okay. Now next, brain booster. In this brain booster, so, we recapitulate what we did in textbook and also in workbook. So first, so we are going to do reverse, multiplicative reverse, means reciprocal. So what is the multiplicative reciprocal of 5 1 by 6? 5 1 by 6. This is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. 31 by 6 is an improper. So keep in your mind 31 by 6. What is our improper fraction? 31 by 6. So 31 by 6, 31 by 6 reciprocal is 6 by 31. So we have to change numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. 6 by 31. So where is your 6 by 31? Here you have 6 by 31. So there you tick, keep a tick mark. 6 by 31. Next, dash make a whole means complete one. What makes complete one? Means 3/4, no, 3/4, 4/4 make 1. 5/5 make 1. Here 5/3 given. 3/3 makes 1, but here 5/3 are given. 2/4, no, 4/4 make 1. Here 2 halves. Yes, this one is correct. 2 halves makes 1. 2 1 by 2s make 1. Now, how many 1/5 make 1 whole? How many 1/5? 1/5 given 5. 5 1/5. 5th means 5. So where is 5? So here the fourth one is the right answer. 5 1/5 make 1 whole. Okay. Next, fill in the missing numbers in each of the following. Here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 dash by 4 he is asking. So first we have to add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, so the LCM is 2. So 4 and 2, 2 is a factor of 4, so bigger number is our LCM. In 4 table, if not 4 here, not 2, 4 here. 4 and 2 LCM is 4. Why? 2 is a factor of this 4. If one of a number is factor of the other, the biggest number is the LCM. Then in 4 table, when you will get 4? 1s are, here 1s are. In 2 table, when you will get 4? 2s are, 2s are. 3 1s are 3, by 4 1s are 4. 1 2s are 2, by 4 1s are 4. That is 5 by 4. Then 5 by 4, how to convert in mixed fraction? 1 1 by 4. 1 1 by 4. Here 1 should come. 1 1 by 4. Okay. Here also we have to add 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6. 2 and 6 LCM is 6. In 2 table, when you will get this LCM 6? 3s are, multiply by 3. In 6 table, 1s are, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 6 in mixed fraction, 1 2 by 6. 1 2 by 6. See here, 1 2 by 6 is the answer here. So 1 2 by 6. Here see here, so if we add, then 8 by 6 is the answer, no? So no need to write 1 2 by 6. First we simplify. First here these two have a common factor, 2 2 4s are, 2 3s are, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Then how to convert this 4 by 3 in mixed fraction? 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. In this way we have to convert. Okay. Then after that, so here we have to write the missing one. So 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. So these two are prime numbers. Prime numbers means the product only the LCM. 5 3s are 15 is the LCM. In 5 table, when you will get 15? 3s are multiply. In 3 table, when you get 15, 3 5s are now 4th is a 12 by 5 3 is a 15, 2 5s are 10 by 3 5s are 15. Then difference of the numerators, 12 minus 10 by 15, 12 minus 10 2, 2 by 15, here 2. In this way first we have to find the solution, according to that what is missing, that we have to write in the box. And here 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So, 3 and 4 LCM we have to find, that is 12. These two are the consecutive numbers, the product only the LCM. In 3 table, when you will get this 12, 4s are. In 4 table, when you will get this 12, 3s are. Then 4 1s are 4 by 3 4s are 12, 3 are 3 by 4 3s are 12. Then difference of the numerator, 4 minus 3 by 12, 4 minus 3, 1 by 12. What is there in the numerator? 1. So, this one we have to write in the numerator. Okay. Now, the next here, fill in the missing numbers in each of the following. In each of the following missing numbers we have to fill. See here, 5 1s are 5. In 8 table, when you will get 24, 8 3s are, that 3 we have to write. Then 6 10s are 60, that we have to write here. 7 7s are 49, so it means here we have to take 7s are. 7 7s are 49, 6 10s are 60. So, here multiplication, numerator and numerator we have to multiply, denominator and denominator we have to multiply. Okay. So, and after that we have to check our answer, either it is correct or not. Okay. Now, here we have to divide. 20 division means instead of division sign we have to take multiplication. Then what we have to do? So, reciprocal of the fraction we have to take 5 by 1. No need to take by 1. So, if you want to take, then take by 1. 20 into 5 by 1 into 1. 25 is a 100. 1 1s are 1, that is 100. This is the answer. Then, so this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 7 9s are 63 plus 5, 68 by 9 into 40 by 1 is there, then 1 by 40. So, these two have common factor, these two have common factor 10, 4 as a common factor. So, then 4 10s are 40, 4 1s are 4 and 2 left, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28. Okay. Then what is there in the numerator? 17 into 1 by denominator 9 into 10. 17 1s are 17, 9 10s are 90. In this way we have to do 17 by 90. Then simplify. This is the combination of addition and subtraction. First we have to convert these fractions into improper. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 17 by 6 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 by 4 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. Then after that what we have to do? So, we have to take LCM of these denominators 6, 4 and 2. All these are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 3s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Again 2 table we have to, these 3 as it is, 2 1s are and 1s are. Then 3. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. In 6 table, when you will get 12, 2s are, multiply by 2. In 4 table, 4 3s are, multiply by 3. In 2 table, 2 6s are 12. Now, 17 2s are 34 by 6 2s are 12. 15 3s are 45 by 4 3s are 12. 9 6s are 54 by 2 6s are 12. Then numerators 34 plus 45 minus 54 by common denominator. 34 plus 45 is 79. 79 minus 54 by 12. 79 minus 54 is how much? 5. 25. 25 by 12. 25 by 12, that is 2 1 by 12. to 1 by 12 is the answer. Okay. In this one more question is left, that question you do as your home assignment. Next, what problem? Here a shopkeeper takes 3 2 by 5 minutes to arrange oranges and 1 by 3 minutes to arrange pomegranates in his shop. Find the total time taken to arrange the fruits. So, this first how much time he has taken to arrange oranges? 3 2 by 5. Then how much time he has taken to arrange pomegranates? That is 4 1 by 3. The total time he is asking. Total time means we have to add. So, this 3 2 by 5 and 4 1 by 3. Total means we have to add. Time taken to arrange. Time taken to arrange oranges. How much time? 3 2 by 5 minutes. Time taken to arrange pomegranates. How much time? 4 1 by 3 minutes. 4 1 by 3. Total time taken to arrange. Total time taken to arrange the fruits. Total means we have to add 3 2 by 5 minutes plus 4 1 by 3 minutes. Then convert into improper. 5 3 is 15, 17. 17 by 5 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. Then these two are prime numbers. So, product only the LCM. 15 is our LCM. In 5 table, when you will get 15, 3 is multiply with 3. In 3 table, 5 is multiply with 5. 17 3 is 51 by 15. 13 5 is 65 by 15. That is 116 by 15. 15 6 is 15. 15 5 is 10, 15 6 is 9, 15 7 is 105. 105 here 11 by 15 minutes. 7 1 by 11 by 15 minutes. 7 11 by 15 minutes. Now here, so how to find? For example, first fraction we have to take 1 by 5 and the second fraction we have to take 3 by 4. For example, so these two fractions multiplication we have to find. So what is the product of these two fractions? Using square paper, how to find? So first of all, what we have to do? So first we have to multiply 5 and 4. Denominators we have to multiply. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So now we have to take a square sheet like 4 columns and 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is first 1 2 3 4. So in a row 4 squares like this, 1 2 3 4 and after that 5. Total 5 rows, 4 columns. How many rows? First row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Total how many rows? 5 rows. And how many columns? 4 columns. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. Total 20 square grids we have to prepare. So then after, so what we have to do? After that, so we have to take the first fraction 1 by 5, means, so this 20 we have to multiply with 1 by 5. 20 into 1 by 5. 20 into 1 by 5. Then, so here the denominator is 1. This is whole number. So whole number is given means there is no denominator, means denominator 1 is there. So then after that how to multiply? So we have to multiply these two have common factor 5, then we have to cancel with 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20. Now 4 ones are 4 by 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4 by 1 ones are 1, that is 4 by 1 means 4. So number of rows, how many rows we have to take, how many square grids we have to shade in a row? So 4 grids we have to shade. How many square grids we have to shade? 4. So in a row 4 grids we have to shade. First, second, third, then fourth. We have to shade 4 square grids. Okay. So rows 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. So first what we have to do? So we have to take the denominators 5 and 4 and we have to find the product. 5 fours are 20. So then, so we have to make, so means 5 columns we have to prepare and 4 rows we have to prepare, and square grids, in that way we have to cut square grids. Total 20 square grids were there. How many? 20 square grids were there. So in the first step, this 1/5 we have to multiply with 20. Then what is the product? Product is 4. Then after that what we have to do? Again after that, so this first fraction is over. Next we have to take the second one, 3 by 4. 20 multiply with 3 by 4. This is whole number, so there is no by, means by 1 is there. Then after that, these two have the common factor 4, so we have to cancel with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. Now, so what is there in the numerator? 5 and 3. 5 threes are 15 by 1 ones are 1. 15 by 1, 15. Okay. So then after that, then 15 square grids we have to shade. How many? 15 grids. 15 grids in column wise. So this is first grid, second grid, third grid, fourth grid, fifth, sixth, seventh, then eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14, 15. 15 grids we have to shade. How many grids? Total 15 grids we have to shade. Then after that, if once we check in this box, so some boxes are there, so that box, so they are belongs to in the row, as well as we are shading in row and also we are shading in column also. So how many such grids are there? We are shading in row and as well as in columns. How many grids are there? That you have to check. So this 1, 2, 3, these 3 grids, this first, second and third, these 3 grids we are shading in a row as well as in column. So how many grids were there? 3 grids. In total 20. In total 20 grids, 3 grids we are shading row wise as well as column. So means 3 grids are there that belongs to rows as well as in columns. So the 3 in out of 20. Out of 20, how many grids are shading in row and column? So how many grids, square grids are there? They are in rows and columns. 3 grids. So the answer is 3 by 20. So once you find the product, then what is the answer? 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. Then find 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. Once you check, 1 3s are 3, 5 4s are 20, 3 by 20. The same answer you will get. You will get the same answer. Okay. So by doing this activity, so you should know how to multiply the fractions. Very simple. It is very easy. So easy activity. So what to do? First, whatever whatever fraction you want to take, you take your fractions. So for example, I am taking here 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. In this fraction, first we have to multiply these denominators 20. So means you prepare 20 grids, means so 5 in rows and 4 in columns. 5 rows and 4 columns, and prepare 20 grids. Then after that, this 1/5, 1 by 5 you have to multiply with 20 grids. Then what is the answer? 4. That is shared in row. And after that, second fraction, this 3 by 4 again we have to multiply with total number of grids, 20. Then simplify it and find the product, you will get 15. Then shade 15 grids. Then in this 3 grids are there, so they are belongs to row wise and also in column. So they belongs to row and column. So these 3 are intersection of rows and columns. So that 3 we have to take. So these 3 grids are there, square grids, they belongs to row as well as in column. So 3 by out of 20, these 3 such grids are there, so they are belongs to in row as well as in columns. So our answer is 3 by 20. So once we check out, so our answer is correct by doing this activity or not. Once we take this fraction 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 and find the product. 1 3s are 3, 5 4s are 20, 3 by 20 only. Okay. So for other fractions also, once you try for this, for one more questions, take your own 2 fractions or 3 fractions, whatever your wish, take 2 fractions and same activity you have to do by your own. Okay.